See is the person that says, let's get out of here, and all of the white sheep are herders, they follow the shepherd, but that's not me. I am a black sheep. I am the one you want to slaughter, but you can't, because you know that they will never lead you to your daughters without me. I am legacy. And I just arrived. It's a lie. I started this scene. I am the one. But not the one in the Bible, no. But not the one of the goats. I'm not the bull. I don't have time for that. You see, I nourish the environment around me because I am loving and giving. I am, no, not legacy, the black sheep. I am the one that bore everybody else and taught everybody else how to run. Therefore, you would not be free without me, because I saw the empty fence outside the pretentious gate. Because more than legacy, I am the black sheep. You see, I am the one that tells the shepherd, you need to stop pretending that this is where the green is. I am the one that arrived and told you this is where the scene is, because I am legacy. Whether I am a black sheep, white sheep, goat, whatever animal you see yourself perceiving, that is me. I am reality. And without me, you would not exist, because again, they would not call me Eve if my name was not Eveline, and they would not call me Eveline if I wasn't the sperm name that my father made sure arrived whilst everybody else came.
Wow!